Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 7th. Okay, so students, in a class 7th, you have given your exam of unit test. So I think this exam will be was very good for you because of this is totally belong to your lesson. And if you have any query about your questions, so tomorrow I'll take your live class. You can ask me. Okay. From today in this video, I'm just going to start your new chapter, and the name of new chapter is the electric current and its effect. Okay, which is belong to the physics chapter, and also it is lesson 7 and unit 5. Okay. So let's start our today's topic. Firstly, I'm just because of it is the first class of this one is that's why I'm just going to give introductions only in this video. From tomorrow I will start this continuous. Okay, so let's come. Now, what is the name of chapter is electric current and its effects. So students, firstly the term is electric. What is electricity? You know the electricity what is the atom or matter is made up of a smallest unit, smallest particle, which is a matter, which is an atom. Okay, an atom has a three subatomic particle, that is electron, proton and neutrons. Okay, so the electrons which is responsible for the electricity. Okay, we can say that the generation of the electricity, conduction, heat, that is responsible, yeah, that is belong to the presence of the free electron in the substance. Okay, and when we talk about the electricity, it means the charges present in it, the free electron present in it, and this electricity give the energy, electrical energy. So this electrical energy generate electricity. Okay, and what is the use of electricity? You know, are the modernization, we can say that lots of work is depend on the electricity, and that's why the in a wide level the electricity is formed by the different method, like a water, by using the water electricity is formed, by using a wind electricity is formed. Okay, so if you are talking about in our daily life, so electricity is a very useful. Okay, or just you know what, the life is just depend as water, as other live things. Similarly, our life today is just totally depend on the electricity. Without electricity we can't do any work. Okay, so that's why this lesson is very necessary for study. Okay, so that's why it is given. So which type of a topic you have to read here? So firstly I'm telling you these the three main topic you have to read. And what is the name of the three topic of this lesson? That is the electric circuit diagram, and as well as the electric circuit. The second one is a heating effect of electric current, and the third one is a magnetic effect of electric current. So students, I am telling you this is a very important chapter because of in a head classes, like in a 10th class, you will read both the heating effect and a magnetic effect, and both are the very important lesson for exam point of view. Okay, so today in this video I'm just only telling you about what is the electrical circuit. So first topic is the electric circuit diagram. Electric circuit diagram I will tell you tomorrow. Here, what is electric circuit you have to know. Listen students, because of the substance having a free electron that conduct electricity. So because of electricity is generated by the electrical energy, and energy can be flow. So what is the way to flow the electricity one place to another place with any substance having a free electrons? So the flow of electricity in a any unbroken path, that is known as a electrical circuit. Understand? We can say that what is a circuit? Circuit is a path. It is a closed path by which the electricity can flow easily in a direction without broken that path. Okay, so you can give the definition of the electric circuit: the unbroken path through which an electric current flow is called an electric circuit. Okay, as the electric circuit is made up of different parts, we have to I'll tell you about the electric circuit diagram tomorrow. So you will know how the electric circuit is made and how it is the electricity move through it. Okay, so this is all about of my today's class. Okay, and this is the ending of my today's class. Tomorrow I will take your class. I know you have any query about if you have any query about your exam, was which you given here today, so you can ask me. Okay, so this is ending of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.